Hi, looks like you're having a great day. I'm Alex Joseph from Doc365, and today I'm here to teach you how to add and use apps in Microsoft Teams. You need to know four basic factors regarding an app to utilize it well in Teams. First one is where they will show, second one is what they do, the third one is how they are built, and the last thing is their board capabilities. The easiest method to add an app to Microsoft Teams is through the app option seen in the bottom left corner of the main page. For that, you just need to click on the apps icon in the bottom. So it will take you to the apps home page. Here there is a search uh, option. You can search the desired app here, or you can browse through the available apps in the subsections here. There are different categories like boards, tabs, connectors, messaging, topics, education, etc. So you can find any app you prefer in this area and add it. To do that, all you need is to click on an app. So the app's details tab will be open. So here you will see all descriptions regarding the app, what it do, where it shows. Here, as you can see, this particular app can be added to tabs. It can be uh, used as boards in chats. It can be directly inserted to message area. You can also add this app to a channel through connectors to get notifications in a channel. So there are lots of options you can choose. And to add the app, you just need to click on the add icon over here. You can also choose to add this app to a chat directly or to a particular team. So when you click on a team, here you need to set up the form for the particular team. So there are few options that will follow if you choose to add this particular app. The second most popular method to add an app to Microsoft Teams is by adding an app tab in a channel or chat. For that, you just need to go to the teams you wish to add an app first. I wish to add an app to the channel weekly marketing projects. So here, as you can see, we have already added an app called Planner to this channel as a different tab. So all you need is to just click on the plus icon over here. So here you can choose what app you wish to add. You can also choose to add a file using this option as a new tab. For that, you just need to click on the particular app, whether it's a PDF, Word, etc. Here we would like to add an app, wiki. So just click on wiki. Oh, sorry, it's already there. So we'll choose a different one. Let's choose an app called Document Library. By doing this, we can actually get access to our document libraries here. You can choose the relevant sites over here. So we are choosing the marketing site. So the document library associated with it will be shown here, and click on next. We will like to choose documents next. Uh, by default, it will be named as document library, but if you wish to give a different name, it is also possible. So we'll just give marketing document library. The name marketing document library will be more accurate here. So click on save. So the new tab shows the marketing team's library over here. This makes it easier to access documents from that particular document library. So this is one cool way. The third popular method to add an app is to add app notifications and update to a channel. There are connectors that let you do this. For that, you just need to go to any channel you wish. We'll do that in the same channel. We are in the marketing. We are in the weekly marketing projects channel. So let's go to the general tab. So all you need is to just go to the more options at the top, click on the ellipsis and choose connectors. Connectors is the element that lets you connect any of the apps to this channel and get notifications from it. All connectors that are available will be shown here. Right now we have two connectors already set up. So there are SharePoint News app here. There's also the Forms app here. You can just click on configure and complete the process to add notifications regarding the app to this channel. In case if you don't see that particular connector, you can also choose add app option from here so that you can connect it directly from here. Yeah, this is the add option I was talking about. You can also use some apps to add content to chat directly. For that, you just need to click on the more options icon next to the text box and choose the app. Let's go to a chat over here. Yeah, yeah. So by clicking on the ellipsis just below the text area, you can go to the app section. You can search name of any app here. So it will be listed. Or some of your apps will also be shown, apps icon will be shown here too. So we have added an app called weather. So let's see how it goes. So I'm choosing the weather bot here. So you need to choose, enter some information first. So let's see the weather. So I want to share the weather information, weather forecast to this area into this chat. So I'm just choosing the location. So this will be the details that will be sent. So I can just send it here. So that particular information is shared. That's how you can use apps to add content to chats directly. You can also use at mention to add chatbots quickly to a message area. You'll be effective in retrieving updates, data, and also get some quick assistance. So we'll just see how the same process can be done using that mentions. So just enter app mention as you and choose we'll choose weather. So it shows here. So it's the same information window will come up. Oh, let's dot more idea. So I'll choose a different location, California. Here it is. Yeah. So it's the same action but different process. I think the second method will be a lot easier when you are chatting with someone. So by now you might have achieved a good idea about how to add an app to Microsoft Teams. If you have any queries, let me know in the comments. Have a nice day.